Hi, my beautiful investors. This is another day in the axis of Aja, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Don't forget, Lekki Pride 3. I just want to give you an update on Lekki Pride 3. And for my subscriber that you've subscribed to Lekki Pride 3 when the time that we are selling, so you know this is the time for allocation. So if you've paid for everything by 23rd of this month, that's February 2023, we'll be allocating for all our subscribers. They finish their payment so on Lekki Pride 3. So I just want to give you an update on this. You can see that our gatehouse is standing, and see the setback. Yeah, see the setback for your visitors. They can park here. So look at what we've been doing. This is just an update on it, because the sales on this is closed, but we are still doing real estate cashback on this, because we still bring it back to the market. Why we stop the sales is for us to be able to do our allocation, but for the real estate cashback we are still doing on Lekki Pride 3. And like I told you, we have a lot of money that we pump here. I will still show you inside so that you will see what we've done inside. So let me practically talk on the real estate cashback. I know that this is not the first time of watching my video, and if you are coming across this video for the first time, so what I'm introducing to you is invest with us, invest in real estate. This is real estate. This is Lekki Pride 3, and this is Ogombo Road. I just need to show you this because it's an investment that is tangible. This is Ogombo Road coming from Abraham Adesanya. This is the road that we call Ogombo Road, and this estate Lekki Pride 3 is strategically located on this road. The last time before we closed the sale, we sold it for 60 million per plot for 500 square meter here. So this is it, and you can see our men are working here. Immediately we finish the allocation by 23rd of February 2023, we will bring it back to the market, and you know the price will not be the same. But for the real estate cashback, if you are looking for investment that you want to invest your money, at the end of 12 months you will get 30% return on investment, and we have documents to back it up on this thing. I will explain the document to you so that you can see how you can invest in real estate. You don't need to buy land, you don't need to buy house. We are just calling all our investors to invest in real estate, and at the end of 12 months, that is 1 year, for February we are doing 30% return on investment. If you're watching my video on real estate cashback, if I mention Lekki Pride 3, see Lekki Pride 3, this is it, because I need to bring you back on the site so that you can see that what I'm telling you is correct, not that I'm just speaking it on my head. You need to invest in real estate. Your money needs to work for you. Stop working for money. Put investment, and this is real estate investment. I am not talking about something I don't know, artificial intelligence, make money quick, rich. This is not it. We are doing real estate. We are trading real estate. Real estate cashback is a trading product that allows you to invest in real estate. At the end of 12 months, you get your capital back and you get return on investment. For February 2023, we are doing 30%. By March, this will be either 25% or 27%, either because of a lot of things, inflation and the rest. So it's better for you to get the 30% now, so that imagine you are investing 100 million naira. You know that is 30 million return on investment in 12 months. We've not just started out this, we've been doing this over 4 years. For last year, we paid over 5 billion naira to our investors, and our clients grew from 3,000 clients to over 5,000 clients. You can see we are doing tremendously well. So this is Lekki Pride 3. I want to show you inside to really know that we are working, and show you that anytime we tell you that we are investing your money in real estate, we are actually investing it. So we'll go in now to see what it is, so that you can know that we are working. And also for my cashback clients, this is it, just to give you updates on what you've been using your money for, so that by 12 months you get your return on investment. And if you want to roll over, you can roll over too. So let me show you. This is Lekki Pride 3 on Ogombo Road. This is a site and service estate. You know, when we are doing investments on land, it brings a lot of return on investment compared to building. So that is why we are doing this. So this is Lekki Pride 3. We are still working. So we are working here, and the gatehouse is standing, and you can see the road. Like I said, the allocation is 23rd of February 2023. See it, we are still working. You can see the road. See the height of the road. See. So some of our clients that they subscribe to this, and you finish your payment, we allocate you and you can start building. See, this is it, and this is why I just need to bring you here. You need to invest in this. Yes, 30% return on investment is not a small money. I don't know which bank can give you 30% for investing in their business. But for us here, we are saying invest with us. We give you 30% at the end of 12 months. You get your capital back, you get your return on investment. And we have 4 documents. We give you 4 documents. 1, we give you your receipt. 2, we give you post-dated check. 3, we give you investment certificate. 4, we give you deed of agreement. Let me explain the deed of agreement. Deed of agreement, it sounds like collateral, because your money, we convert it to square meter. Inside this Lekki Pride 3, we convert it to square meter of land. So the equivalent of your money we give you as land to hold it till 12 months. After 12 months, we give you your capital back and return on investment. Then you give us our land back. So this is what we are doing part-time, and we've been doing this for over 4 years with no single defaults. So this is the time to invest. You cannot work forever. And the Real Estate Cashback Cooperative is our office on Awolowo Road, Ikoyi, and is a subsidiary of Zylus Group International. So, and we are licensed by Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So this is not just one thing that we just want to collect people's money to come and do this. We are backing of Lagos State. So we are a reputable company, and we've been doing it for over 4 years now. We have a lot of clients that they've subscribed with us, and they are still doing, because they know that we are genuine, and we are ready to go extra mile to make sure that at the end of 12 months we give them the capital back and we give return on investment. So our head office for Zylus Group International is in Lekki Phase 1, and you can check my video too, because I've done video in the office too, to really show you that we are legit and we are not a company that will tell you come and do this and will divert money. So it's Real Estate Cashback. For February 2023, we are doing 30%, and we give you all the security to make sure that your money is secure. The minimum investment is 500,000. The maximum investment is no limit. You can decide to invest 1 billion. You can decide to invest 2 billion. It depends on you. But the minimum you can do with us is 500,000. So at the end of 12 months, you get your capital back. You get your return on investment. My name is Olashile David from Salesville Properties. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are coming across my channel for the first time, and also turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Property. Comment, like, share to your friends and family. This is the kind of investment that you don't want to miss out of it. I need to come on the land. This is Lekki Pride 3. If you've been seeing my video, I've been mentioning Lekki Pride 3 for Real Estate Cashback, that this is where we are investing your money. This is Lekki Pride 3 live on Ogombo Road. So So this is what we've been doing. I will be expecting your call. My number is showing on the screen. Call me right away. This is investment that is tangible and is solid. We are not just started out. We are not test running your money with anything. We've done this over and over again. So this is the time to invest. Let your money work for you. Don't keep that money in bank. Don't be surprised that banks too, they are using your money to buy real estate. If you're not consented to that, they will not give you any return on investment, because when they want to invest your money, they did not tell you now. So you cannot expect any return on investment. This is the time to invest. If you want to invest that you are not in Nigeria, we have online form that you can fill. And if you want offline form too, I can send it to you. You can practically do everything online. Call the number showing on your screen. Once again, my name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through real estate. That is what I know best. Don't forget, pick the number showing on your screen and call me right away. Thank you.